Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to add animations to elements in FlexClip. First, add an element to the canvas, then click the animation option on the top toolbar. You'll see three animation types on the left: in, loop, and out. Hover over any animation to preview it directly on the canvas. Click to apply an animation, and with just one click, you can adjust the animation's direction and duration as needed. You can also match it with a corresponding out animation. Want your element to move continuously? Switch to loop mode, choose an animation, and fine-tune the speed and duration. To remove an animation at any time, just click the None button. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.